Hey guys, Andrew here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem a code on Epic Games. Simply click your profile on the upper right hand side and click an account, and from here you want to scroll down on the left hand side and you will find redeem code. You simply click on that and you want to go ahead and enter that code that you want to redeem and simply click and redeem, right? This is where to find your code. You can find that in your email, or maybe it's something that is in your box or something like that, right? So you can just simply go ahead and click in that and redeem code. Keep in mind as well that when you click your profile on the upper right hand side, you have the redeem code option here as well, and once you click there you can also go ahead and enter that code here as well. So this is both ways, so you can go ahead and do that. So redeem your product, just simply enter the code and you can simply click and redeem. So both ways from here, and as well once you click your profile you can find that redeem code section here on the lower left hand side and you can enter that code. And that's it guys, very easy and very simple. And one of the important things that they showed you an example, so you were able to basically understand, so you're able to know what you need to enter there. So you just want to go ahead and enter that and hit the redeem. But that's basically it guys, very easy and very simple.